Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So phenomenal turnaround from down there. Yeah, we had basically a C wave near enough complete or complete. I think that was pretty much when I made the last video that I highlighted to you that we have a C wave basically complete, which doesn't mean it has to turn around, but it means we need to be ready. Now we had a bit of a turnaround. It's not enough yet to confirm that it really is sustainable and that we are rallying up in the fifth wave. Yeah, because for that we need to break above 1650. So we're just holding below that resistance. Let's see if we can do that overnight. But for now we are seeing a little bit of consolidation after a good rally in the last hour or so. Now this could become a 5-wave move. That will be quite interesting. At the moment I'm seeing here potential wave 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is a 4 and a 5. We get a 5-wave move up. That would be quite good. Then we have an indication that it's bottomed. So if we get 5 waves up and break above 1650 at the same time, so basically one more high, would really increase probabilities that we have seen a lasting or at least more substantial bottom. But for now we only have 3 waves up. This could easily break down, which is why I moved up my stop loss now to break even, to sort of protect it in case overnight it breaks down. But for now, it's looking good. Yeah, it was a phenomenal reward to risk ratio down there. You know, with a target into the 1800 region and basically an entry down here somewhere close to invalidation. These are always the best reward to risk ratios, and it always looks bearish when you see a lot of red. And those were my words in the last video. I think Ethereum or Bitcoin. That, yeah, I know, you know, when it comes down like that, you only see the red wall, but all these coins, they turn around at an instant. They do that, you know. You've seen it here again. You've seen it here. They turn around at an instant. You know, they don't be don't just look at the candle color. You know, if red candles, you know, just by seeing green candles, for example, a lot of people are chasing, you know, green candles, and when you see a lot of red candles, a lot of people get scared, and I know that's normal, but just always remember that they can turn around at an instant. Now again, saying that, we really need that confirmation that it now breaks above 1650, and if we wanted to sort of count here the subwave structure 1, 2, 3, maybe now a wave 4 and then a wave 5, this is of course micro counting, a bit less reliable, but in my opinion, it would need to hold now the 50% FIB level at 1627 to give us still a high reliability, highly reliable fifth wave to the upside. And then again, ideally would be above 1650. There is not much more to add. We now need to be watching, do we have a lasting reversal, or is it just sort of a, let's say, a bull trap, yeah? Which it could be as well. But for now, it's looking promising. The key here to understand is that even if we break below 1610, and I hope I made that clear in the previous videos as well, I will then not be able to count it anymore as a wave 4 with one more wave up in a wave 5, but I can then count it as a 1-2 setup. So, and that means we are morphing directly in a 1-2, so wave 1 up, yeah, A, B, C in a wave 2. So that means if we make a few more lows here, yeah, maybe into the 1500 region. If we do that, this would not necessarily be bearish. It would actually be a much more bullish setup and would provide a possible lower entry point within this fifth wave, but for an extension, because then we can still get a third wave in wave 5, a fourth one, and a fifth one. So that's also exactly what I highlighted in the Bitcoin video and did talk about that in the last few days. Just to make you aware, be aware that if you go short here, anywhere, that you are just shorting into the next support area, because this could easily become a 1-2 setup. So I would be very careful with short. So what I could imagine happens is a lot of people go short here, or did go short. You then see maybe a little bit of a rally here, and it takes out all these shorts. First of all, maybe by going lower, it takes out all the longs. And then by going higher, it takes out all the shorts. So that's sort of typical behavior. It is not my primary expectation, I have to say that very clearly as well, because we never got a sustained break below 1610, which was our support area, and also this third wave, which the third wave here in this movement since November was pretty much extended. So typically you do not see a fifth wave extension, which would be here, if the third wave was extended. Now, altcoins sometimes like to do that. So we need to be ready for it. That's all I'm saying, right? So therefore, what are the options? Key option, first or most likely one in my opinion at the moment, is to see a rally directly from here, maybe into the 1800 region, complete this wave 5 of wave 1, and then come down in the larger wave 2 into this area between around about 1200 and 1405. That area will most likely move a little bit. Second option, we drop below today's low, then have a chance to find support around the area of the previous week's lows, and then have a chance to put an extension in. That would be overall a much more bullish setup. That's why I would be careful with shorts. And the third position or possibility is we go below today's lows, also drop below last week's lows, and then we get into this region directly. These are the three options, and I will try to guide you through the options as they become available and more likely. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.